Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric rotary desk telephone, and this is Bob's equipment from New Jersey. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. This telephone was designed to be used with a key system. The parts that are inside this unit are a little different than what a normal 500 would have. Some of the parts that are used in this unit are associated with a key system telephone, like the network is a 4293, and they use a different style bell than they would normally use with a regular 500 set. We've troubleshooted this unit a little bit, and we know that we need to totally rewire, reconfigure everything on the inside of this telephone. We need to remove the wiring block for the 25 pair cable, and we need to rewire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. There's a lot more that you need to do in the wiring situation for a 4293 network. We also need to adjust the bell. The bell is out of adjustment, so we'll take care of that issue. The rotary dial is pretty normal to any 500 set, but we will need to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial also. We're going to go through the hook switch because that also needs to be rewired. We also know that the T1 transmitter is bad. It's noisy. So we're going to replace that T1 with an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and you will have plenty of transmit power with that transmitter. We're going to be removing the 25 pair cable line cord, and what we want to do is, since this cover already has the knockout at the back of the cover for a modular line port, we're going to install a modular line port, and we're also going to make up a 6-foot line cord for this telephone. The handset cord has a bad end, and so what we want to do is replace that modular plug. So we'll take care of that issue. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this unique 500 telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs and conversion, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
Today is Sunday, June 12th. The current time, 5:54 p.m. and the temperature, 91 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 500 rotary desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Bob and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.